In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chat on ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredible tool for managing projects and maximizing your team's productivity. One of its handy features is the integrated chat functionality, which allows for seamless communication. This can be particularly useful for keeping everyone in sync without leaving the ClickUp ecosystem. Let's go through the process step by step so you can make the most of this feature. First, let's navigate to the support tickets. This is your starting point and where you can find various options that are essential for different functionalities within ClickUp. Whether you are using a web browser or the app, you should be able to easily locate this section on your dashboard. Think of support tickets as the hub where you access various tools and resources you might need. Once you are in the support tickets area, you'll want to look for the More option. It's often represented by 3 dots or a menu button located somewhere on your screen. Clicking on More is crucial because it reveals additional features, one of which, of course, is chat. It's like uncovering a hidden menu of extra tools at your disposal, making sure that the interface stays clean and uncluttered, but gives you access to everything you need right when you need it. After you've clicked on More, it's time to select Chat from the options that appear. Chat is the internal communication tool integrated within ClickUp, allowing for smooth and efficient discussion right where your tasks and projects live. As part of the ClickUp suite, using chat ensures that all of your workspace communication is centralized, easy to find, and tied into the flow of your current projects. You might need to wait a moment for the chat section to load, depending on your internet speed or the browser you're using. Once it's ready, you'll see the chat interface, familiar if you've used other messaging platforms, yet robust with ClickUp's own project-oriented touch. When inside the chat, you may have to select the specific chat you need. This could be a general team chat or a project-specific discussion. Your choice here might depend on what you are concentrating on, or with whom you are interacting. Once you select the appropriate chat, you can easily start typing, just the way you would in any other messaging platform. Let's focus on typing in the highlight. Highlighting text can signify importance, urgency, or help direct attention to specific elements in your conversation. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to underscore vital information or action points amidst the flow of dialogue. To do this, just type in the highlight, making sure your message stands out and communicates effectively. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to harness chat in ClickUp for better team dynamics and project management. Take these instructions and see how seamlessly they can integrate into your daily workflow. With ClickUp's chat feature, you're not just sending messages. You're ensuring your entire team is aligned and informed right where the